stories in the papers and on television about the Gemini's strange MO. I'll remind you. Supposedly, the middle finger of the victim's left hand was always found severed, always missing. In addition, the victim's back, we were told, was carved out, a sign of the zodiac, the Gemini sign. You shut your mouth!
Channel 11 News at 10 with Thang, Jack Cafferty, Sal Marciano Sports, and Mr. G Weather.
Good evening. A controversial rap artist who led a troubled existence has lost his fight for life.
Gangster rap singer Tupac Shakur died tonight in a Las Vegas hospital. The controversial MTV award winner who sold millions of records was on life support for the last 6 days after he was shot up in a drive-by ambush. His death was eerily reminiscent of the violence found in much of his music. Don Lark is live outside the studios of radio station Hot 97 in Midtown Manhattan with more on the story. Don?
Jack, it's pouring rain right here on Broadway, but still, I would say a couple of dozen fans of Tupac Shakur.
Sustained Saturday night, September 7th. He was 25 years old. Shakur was shot 4 times after leaving the Mike Tyson boxing match in Las Vegas in a car driven by Marion Suge Knight, head of his label, Death Row Records. The shots were fired from the Cadillac that drove up alongside Knight's BMW. Police still have no leads on the suspect or motive. Tupac had on a respirator in the hospital and had 1 lung.
I'm watching the performance right now.
On the turbulent life and career.
And I just want to let y'all know that I'm here.
Tupac Shakur's public life began when he joined the seminal Bay Area rap ensemble Digital Underground, first as a tour dancer, then as a rapper.
It's my little gift to my fans and everything like that out here in the world. And I want to let you know,
his range as a performer when his first solo record, Apocalypse Now, was on the charts at the same time as his critically acclaimed feature film debut in the violent coming-of-age drama Juice.
If you want respect, you gotta earn it. You can't fight. You gotta be ready to hold that. Stand up and dominate.
While he maintained a thug image, Tupac was a man of contradictions, recording sentimental raps in support of black women, including Brenda's Got a Baby and Keep Your Head Up.
Because I was raised by a woman half my life and then thrown to the streets, it's like I got the woman side, then I got real rough, manly values like forced on me.
As Tupac